Kids of India Teamwork Channel welcomes you.
The audience to give a big round of applause. Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you all. Kindly be seated.
ಸಭೆಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Happy evening to all present here. I am extremely delighted that the Institution of Engineers chose BNMIT to celebrate the Science Day in our campus. The program started off very well with a melodious invocation by Katyayani from second semester electronics. This being an year with the theme Women in Science. So almost all the speakers have been women, starting with the welcome address by Dr. Deepa, HOD of Physics, and introduction of the chief guest by Dr. Pratibha. However, today's program was enriched by the presence of our chief guest, Madam Anuradha TK, who is the director of the SATCOM program of Indian Space Research Organization, Bangalore, along with other dignitaries on the dais, Engineer Jasmail Singh, our director, Professor T.J. Ramamurthy, and the Honorary Secretary of Institution of Engineers, Mr. Nagaraj, the person who helped us to organize this program, Dr. Reddappa, who is the convener for the Institution of Engineers, and the eminent presence of Mr. Rangareddy, who has been a partner to ISRO, ISRO, in getting many of their parts for the ISRO program manufactured in their factory, and many other dignitaries who are here, along with our HODs, faculties, and you, my dear students. It has been a great program for all of us here. Since this is a year with the theme Women in Science, I would like to tell the dignitaries and the chief guest that this is the only college in Karnataka where the girls outnumber the boys. So ample opportunity for more girls to become women in science, especially with a leading program of ISRO, which has become a cynosure of eyes all over the world, taking a lead among very few nations and joining the band of nations who have been able to achieve a lot of work in the space field. Our chief guest has had so many awards. I think a lot of time we had to spare for listing out those awards. An eminent personality who spoke to us and gave us an insight into all the way the ISRO works. The Bhabha Atomic Station at Trombay, when she spoke about Homi Bhabha and also Vikram Sarabhai, I went back in time recalling the meeting that my maternal uncle had with Vikram Sarabhai when he went to Tumba in Kerala from Bombay by train. They met each other, and after knowing them, incidentally, my maternal uncle Shivaji Rao Sawant
Please share this
was an
video
architect
to all science
and the director of
students.
JJ School of Arts,
Please
Bombay,
subscribe our
prestigious
channel and please
architecture
like our
#1
channel.
institution in India. He was given the job of designing the Bhabha Atomic Train Center at Trombay. And if you visit that place, I'm sure you will see his name as the architect who designed that campus. So, I'm very happy to share this with all of you and the dignitaries on the dais that our connection with ISRO and Trombay is more than 4 decades old. I'm very happy today that ISRO is doing great work in the fields of, as you already saw on the slides, food and water, environment, which are very dear to me for the simple reason that without environment we are nowhere, and food and water is the basic necessity, and who gets us the food are our farmers and through their agriculture, which is also dear to BNMIT, and hence all the more the work that is being carried out at ISRO to help these two sectors, the farming sector and the agriculture sector as well as the environment sector, which is very important for the survival. Plus, they are also doing great work, as we heard, in terms of security, weather, health, education, natural disasters, entertainment, plus the Google Maps, which has become a part of our daily life, connectivity by being the eye in the sky. So, only thing which I can say today is that we are all very fortunate, especially you youngsters, to know what ISRO is doing. I am sure most of the information given by our chief guest was news to us, and it is a sense of admiration and pride that India is there in the forefront. I should thank Madam Anuradha for taking us through the journey of ISRO from the way it started. You saw the first instrument into space was carried on a bicycle. The next one was carried on a bullock cart. From that stage to the stage we are at present, it's kudos to ISRO and to all the people who work there, including Madam Anuradha and other like-minded people. We are always grateful to them for making us proud and taking India to the world headlines. I also should mention here the talk we had with Mr. Rangareddy, who has come forward to help our students in the projects and internship, and also expose those who are passionate about the satellite industry to get an insight into the various parts that they manufacture for ISRO. I am sure a lucky few will get an opportunity to work there, but I can ask for a permission for all the mechanical students to go for a visit to his factory and see for yourself firsthand how the work goes on there. I am sure he will accept our request to give you all an insight into the way things are manufactured, the precision with which things are manufactured. I should also thank Mr. Jasmail Singh for choosing to do this program in our campus, and also Mr. Redappa for making it possible. On behalf of all of you, before the formal vote of thanks, on behalf of myself and on behalf of BNMIT and on behalf of you, I would like to thank ISRO and also Indian Institution of Engineers for giving this opportunity and the pleasure of organizing this function here. Thank you.
Had a look, she came later on. When we entered the auditorium, by seeing these young faces there, we thought you are also schoolboys, because we saw the school students in the, for the planetarium, small planetarium. So then later on, Ram Murthy said, no, they are all students of engineering college, so it is all very small faces. The first year or second year. Really, I am proud that Maharaji and all the institution of family Samantha Tarab. The first time I came here, about Mr. Rangareddy, he brought me here when I was honorary secretary about 3.5 years. Since then, we have been invited number of programs. I compliment Shri Narayana Rao ji, Ram Murthy ji for taking a lot of interest in the activities of the students. I also, Madam Anuradha ji, our Nagaraj is there, Redappa is there. You prepared statements there. I will give you a small, my family, just for 2 minutes. I had a son. I am an engineer. You see, retired from Water Supply Board, additional chief engineer. So I wanted my children should also be engineer. My son passed his PUC long back. I said, what do you want to join? He said, I want to join BSc. I was shocked. See, I'm an engineer. My son wants to go for BSc. I said, no, you have to become engineer. My father made me engineer, and I want to see you engineer. He said no. Then he did not talk to me for 1 week. Then he took me to, there is a Kempegowda statue near Metri Circle. He took me there. He sat for 1 hour. He said, Daddy, okay, I'll become engineer, but you will not interfere what I do later on. So this boy then studied engineering and all. He is doing the work which I cannot interfere. I will not go much detail. I will tell in 2-3 sentences. He is a professor in the Indian Institute of Science. He is a PhD holder from Germany, postdoctorate and habilitation degree. He is involved in the renewable energy. He is doing the work of the scientists working in the villages. Goes on the cycle. He never uses his car there. This is a small, just to motivate you. You see, this 28th February is a great day. You see, what it came to my mind, I talked to one of the committee members, Mr. Redappa, and we had to celebrate. he straight away said, no sir, Dr. Ramurthy ji, he has agreed to celebrate at their college. I was very happy. See, Maharaj is here. He straight away also agreed. If we celebrate in our institution, very hundred mudkuro bartare. No students can listen what we are speaking. Only some retired people, about 15-20 comes. Very yaro baradru. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ನಾವು ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಸಬರು ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ above 45 nobody comes. But we have to, it is our duty to do some lectures every week, every 50 days, ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, otherwise the institution ಹೆಸರು ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So then our Manaji Ramurthy said, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I'm so happy that so many young students are here to enjoy the program. This is gathered in the camp of Mr. Manaji and Ramurthy ji and our Redap and Ranga Reddy also there. I will speak few words about 28th February 9th Raman discovered a phenomenon of scattered light popular as Raman effect at Indian Association of Cultivation of Science in Kolkata, recognizing his significance, the discovery in the field of physics and contribution. Sir C.V. Raman, the National Council of Science and Technology Communication, proposed to celebrate 28th February as National Day. You know, this you must have seen near Lakri Circle, Sir C.V. Raman Institute. I think many students may not be knowing. If you get time, please visit there. You know, there is a lot of technical activities. You have got a museum, and I think the Samadhi of Sir C.V. Raman is also in that institute, just by the side of Lakri Circle. It is there. The National Council of Science and Technology Communication proposed to celebrate 28th as a National Science Day. The Government of India approved the request, and therefore since 1986 country has been celebrating as a national day. It is a great day. I request Mr. Manaji and Murthy ji to continue in the coming years. The discovery by C.V. Raman brought him the Nobel Prize 1930, the first Indian. It is something great to get a Nobel Prize. I think we hardly got it. He was the first Indian. Way back we were not born. None of us was born. I think Manaji was not born, so he got that time. Also, the Raman effort was honored with the rank of being a national historical chemical landmark by American Chemical Society, 15th December 1998. It got designated as International Historical Chemical Landmark in 2013 National Science Day. The day is also recalled and celebrated the contribution of all great scientists of India abroad who made fundamental discoveries and advanced human knowledge. Some of them are Aryabhatta, Homi Jahangir, Abdul J. Kalam, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Srinivasan, Ramanujam, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Hargobind Kharola. The National Day is widely celebrated all over the country in all the educational and research institutions. The celebration includes public speeches, radio, TV, science movies, science exhibition based on the theme and concept, watching night, sky project, research demonstration, debate, quick competition, lectures, science models, and many more activities. Here you would have seen a small planetarium which can be transferred to any part of the country. You see, Mr. Redap came to me, he said, sir, I am contacting the in charge of that planetarium, we'll get it here. It was great. You see, even we had not seen, we had not heard of it, but we could see there, this planetarium. I congratulate him.
Please subscribe our channel and please like our channel.